Hi dear viewers and victorious creators of my channel. Today I have something interesting for you. I'm going to redesign slash redecorate one of my purses or bags or whatever you want to call this. The tag says Lancôme. So this was a free gift, but as I have never used it as a makeup bag, I want to use it as a over-the-shoulder bag with the help of this, which remained from one of my bags. Actually, it was a gift. It was a Gucci bag. Let's see how we can do it. And besides, I want to do some nice designs on it with the help of this flower and this flower. I'm just trying to attach them with some simple dots, again from Dollar Tree. It's called Pop Dots double-sided adhesive. I've actually attached them in the back of these flowers, but if you want a permanent one, you may use this, or you may just sew them on your purse. For the beginning, I'm going to cut the back one. Good luck to my new purse. This one is remained. This is plastic and leather, but it's a genuine leather in comparison with the Lancôme bag. Cut this genuine leather because it's old. I can cut it easily and remove this part. And now this one is left. I will take the end and kind of squeeze it inside this part. I got this one from a dollar store. It says flexible adhesive, impact resistance, rubber, leather, canvas, etc, etc. So I'm going to use this one and see if it can glue my purse. First, I'm going to have a little bit on this part. Yeah, it smells bad. Okay, doc. Let's fold it. Press it hard and then clip it with this type of thing so it stays and kind of dries. Well, by the time my glue dries, let's continue. This is another remaining from one of my shawls that had this thing around it, and I cut, and it's two pieces. One is short, one is long a little bit, so I'm going to use this as well to frame my purse from the sides. I'm thinking of gluing it with hot glue on the side like so, and it's going to become an opera or theater kind of purse that you would carry with you, because this pom-pom makes it kind of look cheap. So I'm gonna switch that one as well. The end, the last one, I'm folding because I don't want it to rip off and come out. So, and I'm putting a dot of glue in the middle of this darkest part, the flower part, and gluing it to the purse. As I want it to stay permanently as much as possible, of course, because with the hot glue it cannot be permanent, but I will attach all these flowers one by one and then I'll show you the ready result. And here is the final look of my redesigned slash redecorated purse. I added this feather, which I thought I could make a kind of necklacey type of thing, but then I redecided, so I added it here in the corner. And actually I decided to add because it's covering some of the glue parts that are coming out from the flowers. I don't know why I used the glue gun. I could use another type of glue so it wouldn't be seen, but it's okay. Next time I'll have more experience. These are real coral beads that I bought from Michael's store a long time ago, maybe 8 years ago, and I was keeping it to make a necklace, but I'm gonna use some of these to cover some dots and parts that you can see the glue. There are actually not so many. This part, I'm gonna use them all around this front part. And by the way, one more tip, you may use hair styling flattening iron to iron this kind of wrinkled parts so they can kind of fall down straightly, not in a zigzaggy way. So hope you like it, and if you like this type of videos, let me know in your comments and I'll do more. I have a bunch of things waiting to be redesigned and redecorated. Don't forget to give me thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel so next time I'll share more interesting ideas with you. Thanks a lot for staying with me till this moment and see you next time. Bye bye.